Today, I'll show you how to create a contact report in Salesforce. Creating a contact report is an essential task for organizing and analyzing your contact data effectively. Whether you're tracking sales activities or simply managing contacts, this process will help you streamline your workflow. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you should navigate to the Reports tab, which you'll find in your top navigation menu. However, if it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You can always locate it through the 9-dot app launcher, which is an incredibly handy tool for finding any hidden tabs or features within Salesforce. Once you're on the Reports tab, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a button labeled New Report. Go ahead and click it to start the process of creating a new report. Now, you'll see a pop-up window appear on your screen. This is where you'll select the type of report you want to create. On the left side of this pop-up, there's a list of categories. You'll want to select the Accounts and Contacts category. This is crucial because we're focusing on creating a contact report, and this category will provide you with the relevant data fields. After selecting Accounts and Contacts, you'll notice a list of report types appearing in the main section of the pop-up. From this list, choose the standard Contacts and Accounts report type. This selection ensures that your report will include all necessary data about your contacts and their associated accounts. Once you've selected the Contacts and Accounts report type, you'll see an option to either Start Report or Continue, depending on your Salesforce interface. Click this option to proceed. It's here that you can start customizing your report by adding the specific details you want to include. You can choose which fields to display, apply filters to narrow down your data, and even group information for better insights. Take your time to adjust these settings according to your needs, as this step is crucial for generating a report that truly serves your purpose. After you've customized your report to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to give your report a name. Choose something descriptive that will make it easy to identify in the future, especially if you plan to create multiple reports. You can also decide whether you want to make this report visible to others in your organization. Sharing your report can be beneficial if your team also needs access to this information. And there you have it. You've successfully created a contact report in Salesforce. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only organized your contact data, but also set yourself up for more efficient data analysis. Remember, reports are a powerful tool in Salesforce, enabling you to make informed decisions based on real-time data. So don't hesitate to explore further customization options that Salesforce offers to refine and enhance your reports even more. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides on Salesforce and other productivity tools. Happy reporting!